The BLACK+DECKER Purify 6 Quart Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that allows you to air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and keep food warm, offering a wide range of cooking options. This air fryer utilizes air crisp technology to achieve crispy results with little to no oil, reducing fat by up to 80% while still providing the deep-fried taste you love. With its powerful 1500-watt heating system, the fryer cooks food up to 2 times faster than conventional ovens, making meal preparation quick and efficient. The digital touchscreen interface features 9 one-touch presets for popular dishes, along with a shake reminder and automatic shutoff for ease of use and perfect results. Cleaning is simplified with the non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe parts, ensuring that maintaining this appliance is as convenient as its operation. Its large 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, accommodating up to 2 pounds of French fries, making it ideal for both snacks and full meals.